All right, wanted to come over and check out this blue grape. It's just started fruiting really heavy. I really like these guys. I think they're a very pretty hedge bush. Like you can see, they're pretty dense, kind of these needly sharp leaves and these big fruit. Look at these crazy things, right? It really loads up there too, it looks like. The whole thing's full of them. I'm trying to remember if I can remember this thing. You know, kind of grape-like. A big seed on the inside and really tough leathery skin. Sweet, a little bit like Jaboticaba, a little bit like a grape. It'd be good wine. Well, you'd need to mash a lot for a lot of juice. Yeah. Yeah, big seed. 2 seeds in that one. All right, and this is the yellow Jaboticaba. Related to that blue grape we were just looking at. And these guys are, instead of being glabrous on the outside, they're total, or hirsute. No, they're glabrous. These are hirsute. They have a nice peach fuzz. You got to rub off before you munch them, or you're going to have that fuzz in your mouth. And the inside, you got a seed, but that fruit is like apricot nectar. That's the best description I can come up with. It's very apricot nectar-like. Little beauties. It's a very pretty tree also. Not nearly as dense as that blue grape, but a very elegant tree. Like these leaves, this is a really cool leaf pattern. Really cool bark. Very pretty, overall pretty Jaboticaba. But yeah, delicious apricot nectar, just like apricot nectar. It's awesome. And so here's somewhat the regular shape of your normal Jaboticaba. This is a hybrid, I believe. And most of the berries are spent on this. You got some green ones that are trying right now. And I feel like some little buds here where flowers are about to start coming out again. So different, very different bark, more like a guava bark. Different looking bark entirely, different behavior to the tree, a lot looser and real slow growing.